Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how to fix the unable to detect camera issue in your Zoom meetings really quickly. So let us get started. Now it is very simple, guys. There are a couple of possible fixes for this issue, so let us guide you through this. In the first step, launch the Zoom Workplace application on your PC or laptop and start a new meeting just for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do first, guys, is check if you're using the correct camera as your source or display source. You may do that here in the bottom left corner under video by clicking on that arrow up icon and by checking if your camera is selected here with the check mark icon next to it. So if that's the case, we may head over also to your account settings here on Zoom. To do that, guys, head over to your home screen on Zoom Workplace, click on your profile icon in the top right, and select settings here. And inside your account settings, we may double check if you're really using the correct video or camera source here in the video and effects section to the left. And here it says camera, guys, simply click on that arrow down icon and select the right or the correct source, like your camera, for example. And the third option, guys, what you want to do is check if you're using the most recently released or newest version of Zoom. To do that, close that window really quickly, head over to your home screen here on Zoom Workplace, click on your profile icon again. And here inside or as a part of that drop-down menu, you will see an option called check for updates. So click on it. And after that, Zoom will check if you're using the most recently released version, if you're up to date. So if that's the case, you can consider this done as well. So click on close here. And the last possible solution or fix for this is, guys, is that you give Google Chrome or any other browser you're accessing Zoom the permission to use your camera. You may do that, for example, by accessing your web browser, which in this case here is Google Chrome. And here next to the URL or address bar, you will see that icon, guys, view site information, while being logged into your Zoom account, of course. And what you want to do is click on it and select site settings here below. That is going to redirect you to your Zoom site settings here via Google Chrome. And here what you want to do under permissions, guys, is check if your camera or if Google and Zoom have the permission to access your camera. So to do that, click on that arrow down icon here to the right. And if that's not the case, simply click on allow to give Google as well as Zoom the permission to access the camera you're using. And that should fix the issue and allow Zoom to access your camera and to detect it. And that's basically it, guys. That's how to fix this issue. Thanks for watching and see you next time.